Hello everyone, my name is Samantha Westover, but you can call me Sam. I am 25 years old and I work currently as a professional nanny. I went to Albright College for my undergrad and focused on family studies. I've always loved child, family, and helping others. I've worked in childcare since I was about 15 years old. And then before that, watching, family, children, and all of that. Um, I have been out of school for about a year and a half, and so I thought this is a perfect time in my life cycle to start a new, life choice. Starting, the program here at Widener. I'm very excited about the social work program. Um, what led me to do this is I have been personally seeing a clinical social worker since I was about 15. I see her regularly and, on and off throughout my life, but since I was 15, I basically had contact with a clinical social worker, and I feel like she has, changed my life in a way and, been such a big help to me. So that's something I would love to do, for others. Specifically, I am really interested in helping people with mental health issues, domestic violence issues, and maybe issues isn't the right word, but that experience those things in their life. Personally, because I have experienced most of that stuff in my life in some way or another. So that's my main focus, but I'm very excited to, become a clinical social worker to be able to help in those aspects and more. I think I have a very empathetic and caring and a lot of drive to help others. So, you know, currently in my life cycle, I feel like I'm in the perfect state to be able to, start this program and become a clinical social worker. So I'm excited to watch all you guys' videos and do this program.